Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the record, get a certified FIR copy, and note the exact charges and timestamps. Explain to the officer, calmly, any factual errors and provide ID and witness names. Once done, photograph relevant locations and preserve messages or CCTV clips. These form your rebuttal. Make sure to log who you spoke with and when, because precise procedural timestamps can expose lapses that support cancellation. You now assemble a focused evidentiary bundle that addresses each FIR point. Prepare a clear, dated statement that pinpoints contradictions and attach objective items, receipts, call logs, CCTV stills, and witness affidavits. Then submit a formal written application to the station house officer requesting cancellation, citing the evidence and legal grounds. If the officer resists, make a contemporaneous note. This supports escalation. You pursue judicial relief when administrative steps fail. File a petition or private complaint asking the magistrate to quash the FIR on grounds of falsehood and lack of prima facie case. Make sure to request interim protections like stay on arrest or return of seized items. Once the court orders cancellation, serve certified copies to the station and update your records. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by immediately seeking an emergency hearing and documenting any noncompliance with court orders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.